Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Roast Up Some Grub. Today we're going to be making apple crisp. Let's get started. Alright, so the first step is we are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so after we preheat the oven, we are going to start cutting and prepping our apples. So we're going to start by cutting our apples into quarters. Alright, so after we've cut the apples in quarters, we're going to peel off these skins. You can use a peeler or apple core that peels them, but I'm just going to use a paring knife today. Alright, so after you have peeled the apples, you are going to cut out the cores and then slice them. Cut out the cores. Here, I'm just going to set those aside once I do that, and then I'll slice them. Okay, so now that we've cut up our apples, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, so we're adding in 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. 1.5. And then we just want to stir that together and get them all coated as much as you can. Alright, and then you're going to take a pan and spray it with cooking spray. Just want to add a good quick layer of that. And you can add in your apples. And you can feel free to mix those in there while you're at it. Alright, in another bowl, we are going to add in a cup of brown sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar, and then 3/4 cups oats, three-quarters cup of flour, and we are going to dice up some butter and then add that in. Alright, so I'm just going to take a butter knife and I'm just going to chop up my butter into slices. So we're going to add enough butter and a pinch of salt. Unifiedly crumbled together. So once you've done that, you're just going to take and spread the crumbles over the apple slices. like it more crumbly or you find you need more oats, just do about half of that, what you just did. So I'm going to spread that out, and I am going to make a little bit more crumbles than what the recipe calls for, so it's a little bit more crumbly. We're going to set the timer. For 40 minutes. Start off. Alright, so the timer just went off, so we're going to check the apple crisp. So, as you can see, the apple crisp is not quite bubbling yet. So, you're going to just add a little bit more time to it. And then we will check it again in another 10 minutes. Alright, so the timer has just gone off again, so I'm just going to pull it out and take a look at it. As you can see, it is now starting to bubble, which means it is ready to eat. Alright, so we just finished making the apple crisp. It came out looking great, so it's ready to serve up with some vanilla ice cream. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.